Since 1906, C&D Technologies has built its reputation on product innovation and product quality. To maintain that high level of quality, we have comprehensive quality assurance programs in each one of our manufacturing plants. Those ensure that each battery is built as designed. But we also need to make sure that our products meet our customers' needs. C&D has an entire department dedicated to making sure that that stays true. The customer quality department is responsible for communicating with our customers once their batteries arrive, whether it's answering a phone call or an email about how to charge the battery, visiting a battery room to do an inspection, or to process a warranty claim in the off chance the battery doesn't perform how it should. The customer quality team is there to support customers and make sure that the batteries are providing reliable service. But that's just step one. Step two is to take that information and get it back to the manufacturing plant or our design engineers so that we can make improvements to our designs or to the manufacturing process based on that feedback. This feedback loop helps us to ensure that any product coming out of our facilities meets our customers' needs and our high quality standards.